we're back. I'm Shruti. You can call me Shruts. And of course, we're with Jojo. Jyoti, hello.
Hello.
Yeah, hello. तो आज हम क्या कर रहे हैं?
Seriously.
हाँ,
Uh,
serious इसलिए है क्योंकि finally I have caught up and you have been telling me since forever कि beef karo, अरे catch up.
yeah.
So
Yeah.
yes.
Yeah. So tell
So
us what are your thoughts, and you caught up on everything till Maharani.
yes, हैप्पी दिवाला से शुरू करके महारानी तक मैंने सारा सुन लिया है बिकॉज आई थॉट कि इससे पहले कि नेक्स्ट पे रिएक्ट करूं पता तो हो कि पीछे कहानी क्या थी. सो फर्स्ट थिंग तो कितनी गालियां हैं, मतलब गालियों का ढेर. आई कुड लाइक तोलो द गालीज एंड सेल इट बाय द किलो एंड लाइक मेक लॉट्स ऑफ मनी ऑन इट.
Yes.
बहुत ज्यादा थी. तो हाफ द टाइम आई वाज लाइक बिकॉज सी गालीज आर वेरी वर्सेटाइल, राइट? तो अब अगर आप गाली दे रहे हो, गाली को बहुत टाइप में ले सकते हैं. तो हाफ द टाइम तो आई वाज लिसनिंग एंड गोइंग अब ये ऐसे बोला है या वैसे बोला है. सो बहुत ऐसे मतलब ये सब हो रहा था. सो एनीवे आई हैव हर्ड ऑल ऑफ इट. अ लॉट ऑफ द फाइटिंग आई थॉट बहुत जल्दी फेयर से अनफेयर फाइट में जा रहा था सब कुछ. एंड देन आफ्टर अ व्हाइल तो आई थिंक सीधा मुंह पे फाइट हो रही थी एंड दैट्स व्हाई इट्स सो हार्डकोर डिस. इसीलिए ये वाला पूरा बीफ इतना स्ट्रांगली सब रेकमेंड कर रहे हैं और इतना पागलपन छा गया है बिकॉज एवरीवन, बिकॉज इट्स वेरी लाइक सीधा मतलब बातों के थप्पड़ पड़ रहे हैं. इट्स वर्स देन दैट, लाइक घूसे लाते हैं जो भी है, गालियां तो पड़ी रही हैं, उसके अलावा बहुत फाइट चल रही है. सो आई अंडरस्टैंड कि क्या क्या हो रहा है. सो नाउ आई एम रेडी, मैंने सब सुन लिया है. So now, what have you got for me? What is next? I'm so pumped right now. Like, yes, bring it.
Before I tell you, you
हाँ,
like you said, पहले थोड़ा not very directly हो रहा था. So I think even in that Diwala song and even in
हाँ,
Untitled, it was quite like shots were fired, but they were not full
थोड़ा safe.
in your face. Then it went into another zone with which I'm a god and Maharani.
Because
So
also, yeah, also I realized because आप किसी का यार नाम ले लोगे और directly अगर बोल रहे हो, diss कर रहे हो, so that person will obviously, it's like saying I'm never going to work with you again. It is also like saying I don't want anything to do with you. I'm ऊपर मुंह पे giving you like
I mean, yeah, I
it's
guess
the open
it's done now.
right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's done and dusted. आप मतलब यहाँ ऐसे ये वाला reaction in song. तो फिर क्या करोगे? Like yeah, like it's taking a stand on another level.
I mean, some people, I guess, are not meant to be friends. What else to say? So let's move on. Now, disclaimer before we begin, my parents and children,
Mine
please
also.
close the window and don't watch this.
ये वाला जाने दो.
Yes, we will keep warning you in every beef video reaction. So now we are going to, after Maharani came Moksh, apparently, by
Yeah.
Mufar, and it was a diss to Krishna. Oh, before this thing, let me just quickly tell everyone that when we were introduced to the entire track list of this beef, it came as a little shock to me because I was like, listen, you guys told us it was a Krishna and Mufar beef, but इसमें बहुत सारे लोगों के गाने और हैं, and I
Yeah.
honestly, it will be very difficult to cover all of that on the channel because then for 2 weeks we'll just be doing
वही
this
कर रहे
beef.
होंगे.
Yes.
Yeah.
So
No, so I heard Harjas ka the one that came after Maharani, which was Khama Khan. I did listen to that as
oh,
well
you heard
because
it? Okay.
I heard it. अरे homework मिला तो करूँगी ना,
हाँ,
करना.
very nice. I have not heard it, so if I miss something, you tell me. हाँ, good.
हाँ, उसमें mostly he was reacting only. He's mostly reacting to the previous thing, how Harjas was also pulled into it, right? उसका नाम लिया था कृष्णा ने and said के next is you. So he had said that. So he's also kind of spoken about that. But I think more or less he was also trying to say now that I've been pulled into it, तो भाई क्यों कर रहा है? Like, why are you doing this? Why is this? Main feel वही थी.
Okay, okay, fine. So we're not going to cover all those tracks. We're going to focus on Mufar's and Krishna's. And there's Moksh, there's Elan, there's the Shera, then there's Markasam, and there's Bhoot Banega. So these are the 5 tracks we will cover, and then we will be done with this beef. And we are hoping we get some lyrical brilliance from all of this. And let's begin with Moksh. Moksh.
So I think we will not be the same people after all these songs that we've heard, ना? मतलब इसके बाद हम same नहीं रहने वाले हैं. So with a bye bye to our older selves and a welcome to our new self, we shall begin this new song.
I think that happens with every reaction we do. If you because we are not the same people at the end of the reaction. So anyway, let's just prepare ourselves.
Count me down. Yes, count me down when you're ready.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, play. Interesting. Okay, so firstly,
So Joe, yeah,
I'm gonna edit out that video in the reaction because
heavily.
I like wordplay. I like intelligent references. I don't appreciate sexual connotation loaded disses and just like you know I don't get the need. I don't get the
Because
need.
then it's
It's
not
like
creative. Yeah. Like something has hit you and you're hitting back just by, I mean, yeah, that's the whole point of it. That's the whole point of a back and forth, right? But to make it only gali galoch and only to say it like that, it's not fun. Okay, as a listener, for me, it was not fun, especially the first half.
yeah,
I'll tell you which part I did enjoy. I actually enjoyed the part where he started talking about facts. Because
yeah,
when he was talking about facts, he was actually stating what was wrong, what
mm,
was, what Krishna had spoken in his previous song. So all those references about Jalpari, all those references about like, and Benny Gali's ka reference, which I'm not going to speak, but like there were so many things which were used, जो सेम ट्रैक के अंदर रेफरेंस जो यूज हुई है,
mm,
लेकिन एटलीस्ट आप उसके आगे तो कुछ बोलो.
mm,
आपने मुझे गाली दी, मैंने आपको गाली दी. What's the fun in that? The whole
mm.
point of this for me is that it should bring out the two opposing people, their creative,
Truths.
yeah,
Yeah, and their creative
absolutely.
acumen. Yes.
That's the whole point of a, for me, like competition का
Yeah.
point ही वो है कि when it brings out the better in you. बट यहाँ पे अगर सिर्फ गाली गलौज से बात करनी है तो आई डोंट नो अगर उससे सिर्फ वही टाइप की क्रिएटिविटी होती है क्या,
No.
मतलब आई डोंट थिंक
I
सो.
think that's lowest hanging fruit. It's not you're not really reaching for the stars if you're trying to use that kind of. I mean, I thought Bitch I'm a God was bad enough. This is this is on another. I feel bad for myself for having to watch this because and
लाइक
having
I'm
to
trying
listen
to,
to this because it was just like I was just very
या
uh,
या
cringed
ओके,
out. But
ओके
yes,
लेट
you
मी
are
आस्क यू
right.
वन सिंपल क्वेश्चन.
Uh,
हाँ, आई आस्क यू सिंपल क्वेश्चन राइट नाउ. इफ आई आस्क यू टू रिपीट द सॉन्ग का बेसिक रिदम, like the basic beat, what was it? Like how when we listen and एक ट्यून रह जाती है दिमाग में कि अरे ये वाला गाना ऐसा था,
it hasn't
right?
stayed with me, so I can't repeat it.
That same thing's
Yeah,
happening to me right now. I was trying
yeah.
to recall. I was like, okay, we're talking about bad things, but हर चीज में bad चीज नहीं होती. अच्छी चीजें होती हैं. हर एक गाने में अच्छी चीज होती है. So I
Mm.
was like, okay, come on now, come on, what? So like I told you, that one verse which was nice for me, but
Yeah,
I
where
can't
he's
recall.
setting
I
facts
can't.
straight and where
Yeah,
he's actually hitting back at the accusations that were made against him,
yeah.
those were done well. But just like below the belt shots which are unnecessary,
No,
and I
take,
mean,
but take those
honestly,
shots creatively.
yeah, do them creatively. Don't go
Yeah.
on the lowest hanging fruit, and it's just gross. So anyway, the whole like तुम्हारा time हो गया है, and being an ageist. I mean, I'm sorry, but if your like age is not a diss. Age is you're actually praising that person because the older someone is, the wiser they are, and how is that an insult? Because
But
it's
I'm
actually
hoping.
I feel like it's like I'm calling myself a child or a kid because I'm so much younger than you, and you've got so many more years of experience compared to me. That's how I look at it.
I know, ये तो उल्टा हो गया.
But
हाँ,
that's
okay.
yeah, I mean that's just my personal way of thinking, and people who are older than me, I just generally respect that they've seen a lot more of life than I have.
Yeah,
I don't, I'm not comparing who's wiser and who's smarter or whatever, but it's just a fact. It's math.
correct.
They've
Yeah,
seen more of the world than you have. They were born before you,
yeah,
so
yeah, yeah.
it's not an insult. So
But
that
I hope,
I found
see,
funny.
one thing is very clear. Obviously, he is triggered 150%. And I feel that it's very reactive. But I hope that the next song that we listen to and the next one that he's responded to, it would be more like the third verse that in this. Like, it would be more creatively talking about giving it back to people, but giving it back in a nicer, more lyrical fashion, more creative, like
Yeah, I
properly.
mean, you guys have praised Mufar's lyrical ability so much. I'm really expecting a lot more. So
Yeah, me
I
too.
hope with Elan and the Shera things get better in terms of creativity. And this is just objective opinion of what we've seen so far. We really don't care about taking sides. Like I've said before, beats have never been my scene. Diss tracks have never really been my scene, and we're solely covering this on the channel because we wanted to see some lyrical brilliance from the
Correct.
Desi hip hop scene.
It's about
And
music. It isn't about personal ladaiyan. Like, come on. So, yeah, I think we are with the music.
we are with the music always
Yes,
and the art,
yes.
but we are not with unnecessary abusing and all of that. So anyway, that's
Having
all
said
I'll
that, I
say.
do want to know. I do want to hear the next one now. Okay, agla kya
Yeah,
hua?
I do too. I have more expectations from Mufar
Hmm.
after hearing all the praise for him on in the comments. So
Yeah.
we will get to Elan next, and I think enough.
Cool.
Until
So,
then,
bye.
bye.